Cured trout or gravlax is going to be a 10-minute prep item for this luxury food that anybody can make at home. No special equipment needed, and you can really customize your flavor profile. As long as you have salt and sugar to create a cure, you can add in any fresh herbs that you want. I love to add in dill to mine and some fresh peppercorns, but you can customize this with any fresh herbs, spices that you might want. Don't even have to food process it. Chop it up. As long as that cure adheres to the fish on all sides and is tightly wrapped, it's going to cure your fish to give you a firm end product. Check it every 12 hours, flip it over to make sure that moisture is evenly getting pulled from the fish, and then between 24 and 48 hours later, you're gonna end up with this beautiful, firm texture that you all know and love for bagels and lox, sandwiches, or just to eat on its own.